Guys, it's Elise and I really hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video, and the wig that I have does come from a company called Klaiyi hair, and I really hope that I'm not like butchering the name or anything like that. So I'll leave all the information and details in the info section below, so be sure to check that out. And I'll also leave a discount code, so in case you guys are interested in this wig or anything on their website, be sure to use discount code MY25 to save an additional 25% off of your purchases. So here's the wig that I have. This is their naturally curly lace front wig, and it does have that 13 by 4 inch lace from ear to ear. My wig is 24 inches long, 150% density, and once again it does have that pre-plucked transparent lace. So for the most part, I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on just to let you guys see what it looks like directly out of the box and before I do any work to it. And I do notice that that transparent lace isn't necessarily blending in with my skin tone, so I do need to tint that. I'm going to also bleach the knots and kind of tweeze the hairline just a little bit to make it look a little more natural. So for the most part, this is what the wig looks like prior to us doing any work to it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is bleach the knots, and you guys seen this process done plenty of times. However, if you are new to our channel or if you're a beginner, you've never done this before, here is pretty much the process. I do use my BW2 powder and my 30 volume developer. I mix that in till it's like a nice pasty consistency, and then I just go ahead and use the back of a spoon to apply that to the lace. I'm going to go ahead and let that sit on for about 30 to 45 minutes or so, and then you're going to go ahead and just rinse off. I'm going to use my silicone mix shampoo conditioner. You guys can use any shampoo and conditioner that your heart desires. I just like to use a silicone based shampoo and conditioner because it really does help preserve the life of the hair, and it also keeps the strands nice and strong. I'm going to go ahead and finish shampooing and conditioning my hair, and I will see you guys with the next step. So now I'm just going to tint my lace. I'm using my Rit synthetic fabric dye in the color chocolate brown. Now if chocolate brown is a little too dark for you, you can definitely shop around for a color that's more suitable with your skin tone. Now I add about a spoonful of this product to a couple of cups of hot boiling water, and I allowed the lace to sit within that mixture for just a few seconds, no more than that. And here you go. Now if you over tinted your lace or is a little bit too dark for your liking, you can definitely shampoo your hair afterwards. However, if it works best for you, no need to shampoo. So now moving along, we're gonna go ahead and tweeze up this hairline and style up this hair. Now I'm just spraying down the wig using my spray bottle, a little bit of water, and just gonna brush everything back just to kind of see what we're working with. So now I'm using the end of a rat's tooth comb just to pull out the baby hairs, and now I'm just going to tweeze behind the hairline. You guys seen this method done plenty of times. Now once again, if you guys are new or never done this before, I'm just tweezing in kind of like brush like strokes to kind of make it look, you know, just imperfect and more realistic and natural. And I don't take out too much hair. You never want to take out too much hair because then it'll cause a few bald spots, and you don't want that on your brand new wig, now do you? But I'm just using a Denman brush just to remove that excess hair. And keep in mind that if you tweeze the hairline, you are going to get some shedding for the next couple of washes, so don't be too alarmed. Just as long as you're not getting any shedding when you first initially wash the wig, then you're pretty much good to go. So now I'm going in using some conditioner just to redefine the curls. You can also use a Denman brush and some water, like a water and conditioner mixture, to define the curls, but I do find that working with my fingertips and shingling each cluster of curls helps really clump those curls and makes them pop and look really nice and juicy. And then I'm just going to use a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse to brush everything back. So I kind of really didn't want baby hairs for the most part, but I wanted something to look that looks very realistic, natural looking, and not too, you know, pow in your face. But yeah, this is a few days later. The hair is completely dried. This is what it looks like. You can definitely use your fingertips to break that crunchy cast if you do have one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on, and then you're gonna see me cut off the lace, and I will see you guys after that. So now I'm going in with my Melt Me Down spray, and I'm just spraying along the areas where the lace is present. Then I'm going to go ahead and blow dry that down. Now, if you notice that it's turning a little white, it's probably because it's mixing in with my foundation. Pro tip, when you're applying your wigs, make sure you don't have on any foundation, any makeup, or anything like that, just to avoid that area turning white, and you know, that's not cute. You don't want that to happen. But for the most part, I'm just going to continue to style up this wig, and I will see you guys once that is all ready and set. Okay, so if you're noticing that your lace is still a tad bit too light for your liking, you can use a eyeshadow, like I'm using like a black eyeshadow, just to sort of tone down that lightness, and then everything should look nice and fluid and match very well with your skin tone. So this is what the wig is looking like. I went ahead and I picked it out just a bit just to add a little extra volume, and it is definitely giving what it's supposed to have gave, and I'm loving this wig. Definitely a spring to summer hairstyle. So you guys do check out Klaiyi hair. I will leave all the information and details below. Use discount code MY25 to save 25% off of your purchases. Let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.